That's everything loaded. All right, Bob. We're off to put up the new sign at the crossroads.
Okay, Wendy.
Ready, Lofty? Ready, Dizzy? Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's go!
Bye.
Hey, Bob, what are we doing today?
Well, Muck, I'll need you to help me put up a new porch at Mrs. Broadbent's house. But first, we've got to wait for Travis to come and pick up this pile of gravel.
Left, forward,
And here he is.
and stop. Travis and Spud at your service.
Hello, Spud. Hiya, Travis.
What's the job, Bob?
Well, Farmer Pickles needs this gravel to resurface his yard. So Scoop will help you load it into the trailer, then Travis can take it to the farm.
Oh, is that all? Not very exciting, is it?
Okay, Scoop, can I leave you in charge? Muck and I are off to Mrs. Broadbent's.
No prob, Bob.
We,
Move it, move it. Come on, okay.
Okay, now then. The plans show that the sign should go up, here.
Oh, brilliant! Oh, Wendy, how high is the sign going to be?
We'll need your crane to measure that, Lofty.
Okay, Wendy.
All right, stop there, Lofty.
Oh, wow! It's really tall!
Okay, time to start digging.
I'm fed up with this. Hey, Dizzy's football. Watch me score a goal.
Oh.
Oops, look what you've done, Spud. Oh, Dizzy will go crazy if she finds out we've lost her soccer ball. How are we going to get it down?
Maybe we should wait until Bob gets back.
I know. Wait there.
There. That's everything, Mrs. Broadbent. I just need to grab my toolbox and I can get started.
Oh, how exciting. Oh, phew. Oh, now that should be deep enough. The support is knocked in with this sledgehammer, and it holds the sign in place.
Stand back, everyone! Sledgehammer at work!
Watch this. Wow. That wasn't funny. Is it time for a break? I'm hungry. No, Spud. Travis has to take the gravel to the farm first. Aw, do we have to? I'm too weak. I need food. Come on, Spud.
Easy does it, Lofty. A little bit more. That's it. Oh, now, how does it look, Dizzy?
It's leaning over this way.
How's that?
That's it. But there's still something wrong with it, Wendy.
What? Oh. Oh, silly me. It's facing the wrong way. Oh, Bob. Oh, the porch looks wonderful. It's very kind of you.
My pleasure, Mrs. Broadbent.
Now, here's a couple of homemade apple pies as a thank you. One for you and one for Wendy.
Oh, great.
Now, they're a little bit overcooked, but they'll be delicious with some ice cream.
Thank you, Mrs. Broadbent.
Just terrific.
Oh, my, Muck. I think Mrs. Broadbent must have used cement instead of flour.
Oh, Bob, you've done a wonderful job. Oh, now why don't you stay for some tea and cookies? I baked them just for you.
Oh, no thank you, Mrs. Broadbent. I'm, very, very busy today, and I got to go and see how Wendy's doing. Bye.
Oh, bye, Bob. And thank you.
Good work, Lofty, and good work, Dizzy. You've both done a great job.
Come on, Travis! Faster! Faster!
I can't go any faster. The trailer's very heavy.
I know, Travis. I'll unhook the trailer so you can have a rest. No, Spud! Don't! There you are, Travis. You'll soon be...
Oh no! Quick, after him!
Hello, everyone.
Hey, Bob! Look at our new sign!
It's very nice, Dizzy.
Hi, Bob. All right, Dizzy. You and Lofty can go now. I'll get a ride back to the yard with Muck.
Oh, okay, Wendy. Bye. And see you later, Bob.
Goodbye!
I've got a present for you, Wendy.
Oh, really, Bob?
Apple pies from Mrs. Broadbent. They're a little overcooked, though.
Oh no. What was that? It sounded like Spud. It is Spud in Travis's trailer.
And he's heading straight for the sign. Quick, Wendy, you take this pie.
Oh, I see.
Ready, Wendy? 1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
Are you all right, Spud?
Yes, I'm fine. I wasn't scared at all.
What happened?
Spud was trying to help Travis. He was feeling tired, so I unhooked his trailer.
What's wrong with that?
Well, it just got into the top of the hill.
Oh, my. Oh, no harm done. Hey, come on, everyone. Let's go home for lunch.
Hey, did you say lunch? Oh, I'm starving. Has anyone got anything to eat?
Ha ha! How about this? You'll be great with a scoop of ice cream.